The journey begins by clearing the land. First, the idea is drawn on paper.
The area is carefully measured and marked.
Foundation trenches are dug.
Strong stones are laid for support.
The floor base is filled and leveled. Strong foundations create strong homes. The floor base is filled and leveled. The main walls go up brick by brick. Step by step, the walls rise.
Spaces are left for windows.
Lintels strengthen doors and windows.
The roof structure is assembled.
Hold it steady there.
Aligning the sheet now.
Ready? Drilling in.
Roof sheets are installed securely. Water pipes are installed.
All right, tighten that joint.
Got it. Now for the floor lines. Water pipes are installed. Walls are plastered smoothly. Doors are fixed in place.
This side is aligned. Good. Now the top.
Window frames are installed.
Looks solid.
Glass windows are fitted. A place of comfort and peace. Home is where happiness lives.